J.R. Meyer Collections is a reputable brand of coins and medallions. Its exclusive collection of limited mintage coins and medallions are attributed to a blend between extensive research and development, advanced minting technology, and the legendary skills of its mint masters. J.R. Meyer Collections maintains a strategic partnership with one of Europe's longest operating and private-owned mints to maintain the value that collectors receive from its product line.
The practice of collecting coins and medals is as old as the coin themselves. There have been coins already hundreds of years before Christ, and still today millions of people around the world are collecting coins. Once known as the hobby of kings, it has grown throughout the centuries to become a popular pastime across the world. Within a wide variety of themes that touch upon different cultures, religious beliefs, and popular international events, our coins and medallions possess a quality of concept, design, and manufacturing which is matchless. That goes into creating a single coin is remarkable. Combining time-tested minting techniques with advanced manufacturing technology, highly skilled craftsmen, with a meticulous attention to detail and using only the finest materials, we create individual pieces of art. The magnificent end product is the result of hundreds of hours of hard work.
Exclusively available from QNet.